What's going on, guys? This is, let's see, your sixth tutorial of C++, and in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you about control structures. Now what control structures means is they just control the execution flow of your program. I mean, how you want your program to be executed, or in what order, or in what technique, I should say, in what order your program basically should be executed, right? They control if some statement should be executed or not. So I'll just show you in a second. Just declares a variable named int, and just declare variable a and b, and then assign value to them. By the way, it's very lengthy to first declare a variable and then assigning a value. So I'll show you a shortened method. For declaring a variable, you can just assign the value right there. So just put your assignment operator and assign the value. I'll assign it 10 and I'll assign it 15. Okay, now oh my god, I just forgot the assignment operator. Now what a control structure, the first control structure we're going to be learning is the if statement. Now what this if statement does is it checks the condition, and if the condition is true it executes the statement. If it is false it just skips the statement. So the syntax for writing if statement is just write if and then put those two little brackets right there that are under 9 and 0 of your keyboard, and inside these brackets you write your condition. Now you can test different conditions like a greater than b, or a less than b, or a equals to b. By the way, for checking equal, I mean, telling your compiler to check the equality of two things, you have to insert two equals to sign, because a single equals to is already a assignment operator, right? So for checking equality you have to insert two equal signs. Now I will just check if a is greater than b. Now if a is greater than b, it will print out a is greater. Okay, now if I just build and run this, okay, I just forgot to put the semicolon. I always forget it, I don't know why. Now nothing comes here. Okay, nothing prints out right here. That is because we told it to check a is greater than b, and now we can see here a is 10, b is 15, so a is surely smaller than b, so it just skips this statement and goes to return 0 and exits the program. So for if we put it here a is less than b and then execute the program, it prints out a is greater. By the way, it's telling lie already. A is not greater, a is smaller, right? Now it seems much more truthful. So if a is less than b, a is smaller, right? So now this is the thing that confuses most of people. I want you to listen very carefully. The if statement just checks the condition and executes the block of statement or not. If you write another statement here like cout like I am here, and when you print it out, again it's a stupid semicolon, and you print it out a is smaller, I am here. Just forgot to put a handle right here so it looks so much more cleaner. Now building on this, a is smaller, I am here, so it executes both of these statements and the if condition is true. Now even if the if condition is false, right, if you put a is greater than b, now this condition is false, so it will just skip this statement, but this statement it always gets printed right here. Okay, so you have to just take care of this. Now if you want to put both of these statements under the single if condition, what you do is you put a block of statement. Now what a block of statement is, you see these two curly braces on the right hand side of p. These are called, these categorize something under a block of statement. Now whatever comes under this, okay, these two curly braces, it's a block of statement, and that block of statements belongs to if. So now if you build and run this, nothing happens here, but if the condition is true, and when you build and run this, you see a is smaller, I am here, both gets printed. Very good, right? Now if you see out, okay, it's more than enough to tell about the if condition. And if we check a equals to b, let me show you this. If both values are equal, this also works. Okay, a is smaller, I am here. So this will be all for this tutorial. In next tutorial we are gonna talk about if else statement and nested if else statement. Stick with me for right now, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.